some paper, boy.
Great day or great night wherever you are in the world. This is Jacob, your insightful marketer, giving you another how-to video. And today we're going to talk about how to find your key phrases, your secret key phrases on TrustWallet. What you're going to do is you're going to open up your TrustWallet. It says settings. It has a gear on the top. I'm going to tap that. On the top, it says wallets. I'm going to hit wallets. On this page, you're going to have a whole bunch of different wallets, or you're going to have no wallets. But what you want to do is open up the one that you're looking for. In this case, MetaMask to TrustWallet. I'm going to hit that I with a blue circle on the right of the MetaMask TrustWallet. When I hit the I, it will take me to this page where I can edit the top or the title of the wallet's name, but I really want to hit backup options. Show secret phrase. It's going to tell me, hey, these are the next page is going to show you your 12 key phrases. One, if you lose a phrase, your funds will be lost forever. If you expose or share your secret phrase, you can get in trouble or lose your funds. They can get stolen. It's your responsibility to keep the key phrases that are secret because you are your own bank. So hit continue. Ta-da, here we go. This is how you get to your key phrases, your secret key phrases in the back. Now, you need to write this down. It's important that you write these words down because when you write these words down, if you lose your phone, if you lose the software that's on the phone, like it breaks down or it gets erased or hacked or deleted, you now have it on paper. You can still retrieve your funds on the wallet that you had placed your funds on because you have these 12 key phrases written down. I strongly recommend, and I do not want people to send it to themselves via email. I don't want them to take a picture of it and send it to, themselves, because what if that email gets hacked? What if there's so many what ifs that can happen? It's just best to write them down, put them in a safe place, and when you need it, whenever your software or your hardware breaks down or something gets lost, like your cell phone, you still have this to revert to. So if you have this on your phone right now and you're able to go to your back office and get those keys, that's awesome. But if you do not, I don't know what to do or how to help you, but that's how you find your TrustWallet secret key phrases. This is Jacob, your insightful marketer, how to find your TrustWallet secret key phrases. This video is complete. Thank you for watching, and I am hoping that it helped you. Make it a blessed day.